Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CosRX Propolis Toner step by step. First, begin with a clean canvas. It's essential to thoroughly cleanse your face using a gentle facial cleanser. This removes any makeup, dirt, or impurities that may have accumulated throughout the day or night. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel, leaving it slightly damp for better product absorption. Now let's apply the toner. You can dispense about 2 to 3 drops of the CosRX Propolis Toner directly into the palm of your hand, or onto a clean cotton pad if you prefer. Gently pat the toner all over your face and neck, using light, upward motions. Pay special attention to any areas that feel particularly dry or irritated, allowing the soothing properties to work their magic. For maximum benefits, give the toner a moment to fully absorb into your skin. This usually takes about 1 minute. If your skin feels particularly thirsty, you can layer the toner 2 or 3 times. Simply repeat the application process, patting in each layer until absorbed. This layering technique, often called the 7 skin method, provides intense hydration and a healthy glow. Finally, complete your skincare routine. After the Propolis toner has absorbed, proceed with your favorite serums, essences, and moisturizers to lock in all the goodness. In your morning routine, always remember to finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. For best results, incorporate the CosRX Propolis toner into your daily regimen, both in the morning and evening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.